So what's going on? My name is Michael Petty, and in my last two videos, they were blurry, and I couldn't figure out why they were blurry. Well, when you're playing around with OBS Studios, playing around with the resolution, output, input, video, and all that stuff, you seem to change things. And if you don't remember how you had them back the right way, that would tend to happen. But I went ahead and upload those videos anyway because, really, it's all about getting out to people. If you promote your business, it's about connecting with people, or allowing people to connect with you, allowing people to get to know you. Keeping things very simple. Because in online business, people do business with people they know, like, or trust. So in all reality, if all you talk about is business, 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 how can a person get to know who you are, right? And that's the missing piece between online marketing, is building connection with people, right? What is it about you that will make a person say, I like this person. Let me see what this person is doing. Let me see what this person is about, right? So what can a person relate to you? Okay, so people may relate to me because I work a full-time job and I supplement my income with Exitus Elite to make up the $2,000 in instant commissions. Some people, may relate to me because my whole goal is to be a better provider for my family. Got a 15-year-old son, my wife. Just want to support them as much as I can. So I'm working my full-time job, and I come online to do videos to supplement the income because, $2,000 commissions, one or two a month, that's $2,000 to $4,000 a month on top of the income. I just had a surgery almost 2 weeks ago, kidney transplant. So I'm currently out of work. I'm gonna be out of work for a while. So right now my main focus is my online business, and the job will be there when I return. But in the meantime, I'm focused on just reaching out to people, allowing people to get to know who I am, post on Facebook, social media. And, in our conversation, we have a team private chat for our G1000, G2000 members. That's for ongoing support, training. There's over 50 plus people inside that group right now. And the way those people got into that group was simply connecting with people, just sharing who you are, talking about your business, right? Letting people know how you feel about your business, allowing people to connect with you. Can you keep it that simple? If you can keep it that simple without overcomplicating it, here's what I'm saying. Even if you want to buy leads, your leads are going to have to connect with you. So the best leads to come through is organic leads, someone that will see your video and say, I like him or I like her. I can connect. There's something about you. It's something about you that your prospects connect with, and they may want to work with you, right? What you want to do, you want to show proof. You want to show progress. You want to congratulate. You want to uplift, and you do want to help out your team. That's why we have the team private chat for the ones who make the decision. I want to make $1,000, $2,000 commissions. I got my copy and paste file that you're going to get, my one-on-one bonus training. We have a mega swap file. We have a 3 generational bonus training, and you're going to get all this. I got some training from my sponsor, plus some things I created. You're going to get all those, all right? And then the team private chat for our G1000, G2000 members. We make anywhere between 100 to 2,000. So the minimum $149 to get started, top level $23.99. But there's no monthly fees. You pay one time and you get paid unlimited income. And if you want to upgrade from the 100 to the 250, you don't pay the 250 plus admin. You pay the difference in the admin and the difference in the upgrade. So the max you're going to pay is $23.99. That's the max. Then you all in, no more payments, but you make unlimited $2,000 commissions. And that's the thing that really caught my eye inside of Exitus Elite, the fact that you're not punished for coming in lower. Some people have a grace period. Oh, you got to upgrade within 30 days to pay the difference. Some companies, you got to buy all the products on the inside. Here, you buy the top level, all the lower levels come with it. So it's just a one-time deal. And one thing I like about Exitus is that they pay instantly. There's no waiting on your money. Some people have, days trials. then they can try it out, and you thinking you're about to get this money, and all of a sudden the person decide they want to go do something else, and now you lost that income. So your income is going like this. With Exitus Elite, as soon as you make a sale, the money go directly in your pocket. There's no waiting. So that's what really caught my eye about Exitus. There's a lot of companies that pays that way, but it's something about Exitus Elite that really stand out to me, from the fact of, I've heard some people say, well, what if people don't have $1,000, $2,000 come in? Well, Exitus Elite is across the board, $100, which is $149, to $2,000. So it fits everyone's budget. It's all about making a decision. How much money, how much commission do you want to make when you make a sale? You make the decision to come high in your business. Let's say you want to come at the G2000. If you sponsor if someone joins you at the G100, they make a $2,000 sale, they will get their $100. The $1,900 will go up to you because you're qualified to earn that. If you click the link down in the description, you come to this page, enter your email address, you get all the details about all that. So what I want to talk about is building that business. So what is the secrets? Well, there are really no secrets, but let's call it secrets. You have some people that on Facebook, for example, that will say, oh, I can show you how to do your business. I'm going to show you how to build a high ticket business. Well, in order for you to learn from them, you have to join them. You have to buy their product, right? Does it really make sense to come into Exitus Elite for $2,000, then turn around and join somebody else that can teach you how to make high ticket sales, who ultimately really going to try to pull you in their business? That's what our team private chat's for the ongoing support, training, ask questions. You have over 50 people inside that group. So if you ask a question, you will definitely get an answer. Inside that group, we have some people who've been doing business for a long time, right? They have the knowledge, they have the know-how. We can help you. My one-on-one bonus training, the 3-generational bonus training, will show you simple strategies, free strategies on how you can build your business. You're looking at one of the ways right now. Over 50 plus people has been put into that business through simple YouTube videos, through simple videos. We focus on living our lives. We don't, the whole point of starting online business is for time freedom. We don't want to create a job, going live certain times of the day, so many times a week. You got people that say, well, if you're going to work, you got a business, work your business like a business. Okay, but where's the time freedom, right? Online marketing, online business. I came online to supplement my income. I have a job. I'm not trying to create another job for myself. I'm trying to create that time freedom so I can spend more time, so I can make the income. Then when I'm off from work, I can make the income and go have fun with my family, provide for them. All the bills already paid for this month. Get another commission. Boom. Made another $2,000 sale. Let's go have some fun. Surprise my wife with some new gifts, unexpected, because my wife don't know when I make a sale unless I tell her. So if I make a sale and I want to keep it surprised or buy her something nice, she ain't going to care where it came from. She know where it came from. I tell her eventually. My wife has a business. I can make a $2,000 sale and just get a whole $2,000 of her. Say, hey, invest it in your business. And that's what it's about for me, right? It's not about making money just so you can say I live this lifestyle. Not making the money so you can post on Facebook and say, hey, look what I did. I'm trying to provide for my family. If your goal is to become rich, put in the work. Right? You want to get multiple people in the back office of Exitus Elite. There's places you can buy leads, run it through your automated system, because Exitus Elite comes with lead capture pages, has a built-in autoresponder, has the presentation, and we also have a call center where the company itself will close your sales and send the commission. So it's completely automated. So the capture page you're looking at right here, I created through Power Lead System, because one thing about the pages inside of Exitus Elite, the only thing is missing is giving it someone to connect to. Yes, you can make a bridge page in the back office of Exitus Elite, enter the contact information, and switch them over to a bridge page, introduce yourself, tell them why you got started in business. Then it goes over to the presentation. But I personally like to create my own pages. So this is the lead capture page I created through Power Lead System. Also through Power Lead System, I created my own sales page, because these are the same videos that's in the back office of Exitus Elite, but I put both of them together. because both of these videos together will pretty much tell you everything you need to know to make a firm decision about getting inside of Exitus Elite. After these 2 videos, you really don't have any questions. It's all about, I like it, I'm ready to get started. You may have questions, okay? You may have questions. That's when you can contact me. My contact information down below, also at the bottom of this page, or you can call the Exitus call center, and you can experience for yourself to see what your prospect's going to grow through when you have Exitus close your sales, right? I like this little statement here that I got from Exitus. See how we close your sales so you don't have to. Dedicated team help answer questions and close your prospects, earning you a nice commission. I like that. And that's another thing that really stood out to me. And this is most recent update that they had, because when I first joined, they didn't have a call center. So when they came out with this call center, I was excited. This shows me earning a commission inside of Exitus Elite. All the rest of the information, you can join. My contact information. You get my copy and paste swap file right there. Just, take it. You can feel free to give it away as a bonus as you want to. But also the G1000, G2000. About getting eyeballs on your business, I'm going to help you with that. If you go big in your business, that shows me you're serious and you're really trying to, build this business. I'm going to help you get eyeballs on your business to help you make those potential $1,000 and $2,000 commissions, right? So if you want more information about Exitus, click the link down in the description, the first link, and get all the details. You can feel free to call me. I'm always open for a call. Text me, email me, or simply call the Exitus call center if you want to talk to me. Experience it for yourself, right? I appreciate you for taking the time to watch this video. My name is Michael Petty. I look forward to speaking with you, meeting with you, and working with you. Thank you.